Well, you've still got the pace in your legs to run halfway down the field to celebrate. What a night.
No, not to celebrate.
No?
No.
What to do then?
To tell Fernando and Demba the changes we had to do, because still 3 minutes plus extra time, and 3 minutes plus extra time playing the way we were playing were too risky. And,
so you were telling them when you went down there
yes.
to make sure you're right tactically?
Yes. I want Demba to play in front of the defenders, because I know Alex is going there for the long balls, and I want Nano to defend their Maxwell, because he's a fullback that attacks more. So I try to use my two fresh players in a different job for the last period.
Well, you brought on Demba Ba, though, substitute. Criticism of your strikers this season, I know, for the lack of goals, but what a goal and what a moment.
I think we did enough in the beginning of the second half to score before, but we couldn't. And after that, there were a bit of the contradiction of what they are and what they were telling yesterday they wanted to do. They played pure counter-attack, no ball possession, just behind, using counter-attack, closing everything. And it was difficult for us to penetrate in that second part of the second half. So I play Demba and Fernando. We trained that yesterday in train. We trained yesterday the 3 different systems we use. The one that we start, the one without Lampard, and finally the one with Demba and Nando in. And the players, they knew what to do. The point is, score or don't score, hit the post or the goalkeeper made a great save. But Demba made a crucial finish for us, and I think very much deserved. The team that decided to defend was punished, and the team that gave everything, sometimes with the heart, deserves to go to the semis.